So now we're going to move on to the R-controlled vowels. So these are the vowel sounds that are controlled by the R sound. These are mainly important for reading and writing skills, but they're also still important for pronunciation, and it's also good to understand how to read these sounds when you see them. So let's again just get right into it. And the first one we're going to start with is the R sound, which is A and R together. R, as in words like art, car, jar, farm. So in those words you can hear the R sound, A and R. So next is the air sound. There are three ways that we can spell this sound. And the first one we're going to look at is A-I-R, as in words like air, or chair, or fair, repair, stare. So air, air. Another way to write it is A-R-E, okay, in words like bear, flare, hair, rare, and share. So air, once again. The other way is E-I-R, as in words like air or there. Okay, next we have the ear sound. Now there are quite a few different ways to write this sound, and quite a lot of words use this sound. So firstly, let's have a look at the E-A-R way, as in words like ear, or clear, dear, fear, hear, ear. Then we have E-E-R, as in words like steer, career, cheer, engineer, peer. So once again, also the ear sound. Then we have the E-I-R, as in words like weir or weird. Then we have E-R-E, as in words like sincere, interfere, sphere, or severe. Another one is I-E-R, as in words like chandelier, cashier, fierce, peer, pierce. Next up, we have the ire sound. Okay, this comes in two varieties. The first is I-R-E, as in words like vampire, vampire, or fire, or retire, tire, wire, ire. Okay, another way to write it is I-E-R, as in words like pliers, or dryer, or flyer. Okay, next up is the sound, which comes in a few varieties too. The first one we're going to look at is ER, as in words like fern, after, herb, verb, flower. Okay, next we have IR, as in words like shirt, bird, circle, first, girl. Then we have OR, as in words like mirror, mirror, author, author, motor, motor, sailor, sailor, and world, world. So these words, even though they have OR in them, we pronounce them Okay, mirror. We don't say mirror. We don't say author. Okay, it's an sound. Next up, we have UR, as in words like nurse, burn, turn, purse, turtle. Then we have the OR sound. Now we can use that OR sound when it's spelled like OAR, as in words like roar, soar, bore, bored. The other way to spell that is ORE, as in words like store, bore, core, shore, score.